5 years ago, I was working 60-hour weeks, exhausted, and barely saving $500 a month. Today, I earn over $15,000 monthly in passive income while working less than 20 hours a week. And no, I didn't inherit money, win the lottery, or get lucky with crypto. I built 7 specific income streams that anyone can replicate. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they are, how I built each one, and how much each stream generates. I'm Sarah Mitchell, former corporate finance manager turned full-time investor, and this is my real story. Before we dive in, let me be crystal clear. Building passive income takes time, effort, and smart strategy. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. What I'm sharing today took me 5 years to build, with plenty of mistakes along the way. But here's the beautiful part. Once these systems are in place, they work for you 24/7. My name is Sarah Mitchell. I have a background in corporate finance, an MBA from a top business school, and I've personally generated over $900,000 in passive income over the past 5 years. I'm sharing my exact numbers, my strategies, and most importantly, my failures so you can avoid them. So grab a notebook because you're going to want to take notes. Let's start with income stream number 1. Income stream number 1, dividend stocks. This is where I started, and it's still my largest passive income source, generating $4,200 per month. Here's what I did. I started with just $10,000 and focused on dividend aristocrats, companies that have increased dividends for 25+ consecutive years. Think Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble. I used a strategy called dividend reinvestment, where every dividend payment automatically buys more shares. The magic, compound growth. That initial $10,000 is now worth $187,000, and it generates $4,200 monthly without me touching it. My average dividend yield is 4.2%, and I diversified across 25 different companies to minimize risk. The mistake I made, I chased high yields early on. I invested in a company paying 12% dividends that seemed amazing, but the company cut dividends and my investment dropped 40%. Lesson learned: sustainable dividends from stable companies beat high-risk yields every single time. Dividend stocks gave me the foundation, but I didn't stop there. Let me show you income stream number 2. Income stream number 2, real estate crowdfunding. This generates $2,100 per month, and I love it because I get real estate returns without being a landlord. Traditional real estate requires huge capital and dealing with tenants, repairs, and property management. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and CrowdStreet let you invest in commercial properties with as little as $500. I invested $45,000 across 12 different commercial properties, office buildings, apartment complexes, and retail spaces. The platforms handle everything: finding properties, managing them, and distributing quarterly dividends. My average annual return is 9.3%. Here's my strategy. I focus on diversification across different property types and geographic locations. I invested in projects across 8 different states to spread risk. The mistake: I initially invested in a single high-return project promising 15% returns. It was a ground-up development that got delayed by 18 months, tying up my capital with 0 returns during that period. Now I spread investments across stabilized properties that generate immediate income. Patience and diversification beat greed every time. 2 income streams down, 5 more to go. Number 3 is where creativity meets income. Income stream number 3, online courses. This one generates $3,800 per month and required the most upfront work, but now it runs almost entirely on autopilot. I created 2 courses: Personal Finance Fundamentals and Dividend Investing for Beginners. I recorded them once, uploaded them to platforms like Teachable and Udemy, and they've been selling for 3 years straight. The initial investment: about 80 hours of my time to create content, record videos, and set up the platform. Total cost: around $1,200 for equipment and software. But once it's done, each sale is pure profit minus the platform's commission. Here's the key: I chose topics I already knew deeply from my finance career. You don't need to be the world's expert, you just need to know more than your target audience and solve a specific problem they have. My marketing strategy is simple: YouTube videos like this one provide free value and naturally lead interested people to my paid courses. I also run occasional promotions and use email marketing to nurture students. The mistake: my first course tried to teach everything about finance in one giant 40-hour program. It overwhelmed students, and completion rates were terrible. I broke it into smaller, focused courses and sales tripled. Sometimes less really is more. Income stream number 4, high-yield savings accounts and treasury bonds. This is the most boring but most reliable, generating $1,400 per month. With interest rates higher in 2026, high-yield savings accounts are paying 4.5% to 5.2%, and Treasury I-bonds offer inflation-protected returns. I keep $60,000 in a high-yield savings account as my emergency fund, earning about $250 monthly. Another $180,000 is in Treasury bonds and corporate investment-grade bonds, generating roughly $1,150 monthly. This might not sound exciting, but here's why it matters. This is my stability layer. While stocks can fluctuate and real estate can have vacant periods, this money generates predictable income with virtually zero risk. My allocation strategy: 20% of my total portfolio stays in these safe assets. It gives me peace of mind and liquidity if opportunities arise or emergencies happen. The mistake: I used to think savings accounts were a waste because inflation eats the returns. But having no emergency fund meant I had to sell stocks at a loss during the 2022 market downturn when I needed cash urgently. Never again. Boring beats broke. Income stream number 5, affiliate marketing. This generates $1,900 per month by recommending products and services I genuinely use. Here's how it works. I create content about finance: YouTube videos, blog posts, social media, and when I mention tools I use like investment platforms, budgeting apps, or financial software, I include affiliate links. When someone signs up through my link, I earn a commission. The key is authenticity. I only promote what I personally use and would recommend even without compensation. My audience trusts me because I'm transparent about affiliate relationships and honest about pros and cons. My top earners: investment platform referrals $800 per month, credit card recommendations $600 per month, and financial education tools $500 per month. The strategy: I create comprehensive reviews and tutorials. For example, my complete guide to Vanguard investing video has driven hundreds of signups because it genuinely helps people get started. The mistake: early on I promoted anything with a high commission rate, even products I'd never used. My audience could tell it was inauthentic, and conversions were terrible. When I switched to only promoting tools I genuinely love, income tripled and my credibility strengthened. Authenticity always wins. Income stream number 6, equipment rental income. This is my most creative stream, generating $800 per month, and it started almost by accident. I bought professional camera equipment for creating my courses and YouTube videos, about $8,000 worth. A friend asked to borrow it for a project, and I jokingly said, sure, $100 a day. He paid it. That's when I realized I could rent equipment when I'm not using it. I listed my camera gear, lighting equipment, and even my home studio space on platforms like ShareGrid and PeerSpace. When I'm not filming, others can rent them. It's now paid for itself 3 times over. I expanded the concept. I bought a high-quality pressure washer for $600 that I rent out on weekends through peer-to-peer platforms. I invested in camping gear that sits idle most of the year and now generates income when others use it. The principle: buy quality assets that you use occasionally, then monetize the idle time. The mistake: I didn't get proper insurance initially. Someone damaged my lens, and I had to eat the $1,200 repair cost. Now I use platforms with built-in insurance or require renters to provide coverage. Protect your assets. Income stream number 7, automated digital products. This generates $1,600 per month and is the purest form of passive income I've created. These are downloadable products that require zero ongoing work. Financial planning templates, budget spreadsheets, investment tracking tools, and ebooks. I created them once and sell them automatically through Gumroad and Etsy. My best seller is a comprehensive budget planner spreadsheet that I spent one weekend creating. It sold over 3,000 copies at $19 each. After platform fees, that's roughly $45,000 from a weekend's work. The beauty is scalability. Whether one person or 1,000 people buy it this month, my effort is the same: zero. My creation process: I identify problems my audience has, create digital solutions, and automate delivery. When someone purchases, they instantly receive download links. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service beyond occasional emails. The mistake: I underpriced initially at $5 thinking more people would buy. When I raised prices to $19 to $29, sales volume barely changed, but revenue tripled. People associate higher prices with higher value. Don't undervalue your expertise. Now let's talk about what nobody tells you: the challenges and time investment. Building these 7 streams took me 5 years and approximately 2,000 hours of work. The first 2 years, I earned less than $500 monthly while working my full-time job. It was exhausting. There were months I wanted to quit. Here's the breakdown. Year 1, I focused on dividend stocks and learning. Year 2, I added real estate crowdfunding and started my first course. Year 3, courses took off and I added affiliate marketing. Years 4 and 5, I refined everything and added equipment rental and digital products. The challenges: market downturns in 2022 dropped my dividend income by 30% temporarily. Course sales fluctuate seasonally. Affiliate income depends on algorithm changes. Nothing is perfectly stable. But here's why it's worth it: diversification. When one stream dips, others compensate. My total passive income has grown consistently despite individual streams fluctuating. My advice: start with one stream, master it, then add another. Don't try to build all 7 simultaneously, you'll burn out and succeed at none. Pick the one that matches your skills and resources today. Let me show you the complete breakdown of my current monthly passive income. Stream number 1, dividend stocks, $4,200. Stream number 2, real estate crowdfunding, $2,100. Stream number 3, online courses, $3,800. Stream number 4, high-yield savings and bonds, $1,400. Stream number 5, affiliate marketing, $1,900. Stream number 6, equipment rental, $800. And stream number 7, digital products, $1,600. Total monthly passive income, $15,800. Annual passive income, approximately $189,600. Now, is this 100% passive? No. I spend about 5 to 8 hours per week maintaining these streams, updating courses, creating content for affiliate marketing, managing equipment rentals. But compared to my old 60-hour work weeks, this is life-changing freedom. The tax reality: I pay approximately 28% in taxes on this income, so my after-tax monthly income is around $11,400. Still life-changing, but important to be transparent about the full picture. So where should you start? Here's my recommended action plan based on your current situation. If you have less than $5,000 to invest, start with digital products or online courses. Your investment is time, not money. Create content around your expertise. If you have $5,000 to $20,000, begin with dividend stocks. Open a brokerage account, research dividend aristocrats, start with 3 to 5 companies, and reinvest dividends automatically. If you have $20,000 to $50,000, add real estate crowdfunding. Keep dividend stocks as your foundation, then diversify 20 to 30% into real estate platforms across multiple properties. If you have $50,000 or more, build a diversified portfolio across multiple streams. Allocate percentages based on your risk tolerance and time availability. The universal rule: start today with whatever you have. I started with $10,000 and knowledge. Your starting point doesn't determine your ending point, your consistency does. 3 action steps for this week. Number 1, choose one income stream that matches your resources. Number 2, research and educate yourself, read books, watch tutorials, study successful people. Number 3, take the first tangible action, open an account, create your first product, or make your first investment. Remember, 5 years from now you'll wish you started today. Before we wrap up, let me save you from the 5 biggest mistakes I made that cost me thousands of dollars and months of frustration. Mistake number 1, chasing high returns without understanding risk. That 12% dividend stock that crashed taught me expensive lessons about due diligence. Mistake number 2, not diversifying soon enough. I put too much in one income stream early on. When it underperformed, I had no backup. Mistake number 3, treating passive income as set and forget. Even passive income needs quarterly reviews and adjustments. Markets change, platforms evolve, audiences shift. Mistake number 4, underpricing my value. Whether it's digital products, courses, or services, I left tens of thousands on the table by undercharging. Mistake number 5, not protecting my assets. The damaged camera lens incident taught me that insurance and contracts aren't optional, they're essential. Learn from my mistakes. Every dollar I lost and every hour I wasted can save you from the same fate. The tuition I paid to the School of Hard Knocks is expensive. Let me give you the lessons for free. If you found this valuable, I have 3 ways to continue your passive income journey with me. First, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. I release detailed finance and investment tutorials every Tuesday and Friday, everything from dividend stock analysis to real estate investing guides. Second, I've created a free downloadable guide called the Passive Income Starter Kit with my complete resource list. The best brokerage platforms, crowdfunding sites, course platforms, and affiliate programs I personally use. The link is in the description below. Third, join my free email newsletter, where I share my monthly income reports with full transparency, investment moves I'm making, and lessons learned. Over 47,000 people get actionable insights every week. And if you're ready to go deeper, check out my comprehensive courses where I teach step-by-step systems for building each of these income streams. But start with the free resources first. They're genuinely valuable. Comment below, which income stream are you most excited to start with? I read every comment and often reply with specific advice for your situation. 5 years ago, I was exhausted, underpaid, and trapped in the cycle of trading time for money. Today, I have financial freedom, time freedom, and the ability to choose how I spend my days. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building sustainable systems that compound over time. It's about making your money work as hard as you do. You don't need to be exceptionally smart, lucky, or wealthy to start. You just need to be consistent, patient, and willing to learn from both successes and failures. The best time to start was 5 years ago. The second best time is today. I'm Sarah Mitchell, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll deep dive into dividend investing strategies. Until then, take action, stay consistent, and build your future. Let's make your money work for you.